my name is Mandeep and I'm one of the lawyers at the Niagara Community Legal Clinic. Today I'll be speaking to you about your right to a pension in Canada. Now, if you're a migrant worker who's thinking about retirement or is in the process of retiring or is wanting to plan ahead for your retirement, then this video is for you. In this video, I'll be outlining various retirement benefits that are available in Canada, including the Canada Pension Plan benefit, the Old Age Security benefit, and the Guaranteed Income Supplement. Before I begin, it's important to note that when I speak about migrant workers, I'm referring to seasonal agriculture workers, live-in caregivers, temporary foreign workers, and individuals working in Canada without status. The Canada Pension Plan may provide you with money if you're 60 years old or older and have paid into the Canada Pension Plan at least once while working in Canada. If you look at your weekly or bi-weekly pay statement, you'll see that every time you work in Canada, some money is taken out of your paycheck and paid into the Canada Pension Plan. This is done so that when you turn 60 years old, you can choose to apply to have the government give you this money back in the form of a pension. If you're not a resident of Canada, but you paid into the Canada Pension Plan, you can still receive this benefit in your home country. The amount of Canada Pension Plan retirement benefit you will receive is based on the age you retire and is based on how much and for how long you've contributed to the Canada Pension Plan. For instance, this year in 2021, the maximum monthly Canada Pension Plan you can receive is $1,203.65. However, this amount is often much lower for migrant workers who often work seasonal jobs and are working for minimum wage. Now you may be asking, well, how much will I receive? The amount you will receive is partly based on how much and for how long you have paid into the Canada Pension Plan. You can find this information and get an estimate of how much Canada Pension Plan retirement benefit you receive by looking at your statement of contributions. You can receive a copy of this statement by creating a My Service Canada account online, or you can contact Service Canada by phone to have a statement of contributions mailed to you. If you're living in Canada, you can contact Service Canada at 1-800-277-9914. If you're living outside of Canada, you can contact them for free at 1-613-957-1954. If you need help getting this information, contact our office and we can help you connect with Service Canada. The age you choose to receive the pension will also determine the amount of pension you will receive. You can choose to start your pension anytime after you turn 60, even if you continue working. However, the later you wait up to the age of 70, the larger your monthly payments will be for the rest of your life. So when is the best time to start your pension? Well, before you apply, stop and ask yourself a few important questions. Are you in good health? What is your financial situation? And how will you spend your time in retirement? You can decide when to apply. The application can be submitted at least a month after you turn 59 and 11 months before the date you want to start receiving the Canada Pension Plan benefit. You must apply in order to receive the Canada Pension Plan benefit. If you're living outside of Canada when you apply, you must fill out the application and mail it into the Service Canada office in the last province or territory you resided in when you were working in Canada. I've included a link where you can find the application. However, if you need assistance with filling out the application or finding the forms, contact our office. When applying for the Canada Pension Plan, it's important to remember that the benefit can be paid anywhere in the world. It can be received by workers by way of three methods: direct deposit to a Canadian bank account, direct deposit to a foreign bank account, and check to any address. If you're choosing option 1, remember that you have to ensure you're able to access those funds when you're back home. The second type of retirement benefit you could access is the Old Age Security benefit if you meet certain conditions. If you're living in Canada when applying for the Old Age Security benefit, you must be 65 years of age or more, be a Canadian citizen or a legal resident at the time your old age security pension application is approved, and have resided in Canada for a minimum of 10 years after the age of 18. You will receive the maximum pension amount once you have been living in Canada for 40 years. If you're living outside of Canada, you must be 65 years of age or more, must be a Canadian citizen or a legal resident of Canada on the day before you stop living in Canada, must have lived in Canada for a minimum of 20 years after the age of 18. Now you may be wondering, do I still qualify for old age security benefits if I only worked in Canada for less than 20 years and I live outside of Canada? The short answer is that you may still qualify for a partial benefit. That's because Canada has social security agreements with many countries that could help you meet the residency requirements needed to qualify for the old age security benefit and to qualify for retirement benefits in your home country. Some of the countries that have such agreements include but are not limited to Jamaica, Mexico, Trinidad, Tobago, Dominica, and Grenada. You can apply for the old age security pension up to 12 months before your 65th birthday. You can start receiving the first payment the month after you turn 65. Now you can delay getting your old age security pension for up to 5 years from when you become eligible. In other words, the last time you can apply for this benefit is when you turn 70 years old. The amount you receive depends on how long you've lived in Canada after the age of 18, or if your country has a social security agreement. For example, in April to June of this year, the maximum monthly payment you can receive is up to $618.45 per month, and for every month you delay your old age security pension payment, the higher the amount of pension you will receive. If you're not sure if you should delay getting your old age security, then get legal advice. When you start receiving Canada Pension Plan and old age security, you're required to pay taxes on the amount you receive. The amount of tax will depend on if your home country has a tax treaty with Canada or not. You can submit an NR5 tax form if your home country has no tax treaty with Canada. This will help reduce the amount of tax you will pay when you receive Canada Pension Plan and old age security. It is important to remember that even if you permanently live outside Canada, you must file your income taxes each year you're receiving the Canada Pension Plan and old age security. The Guaranteed Income Supplement is a monthly non-taxable payment provided to low-income persons who are 65 or older, who are also receiving the old age security, and who live in Canada. The residency requirements can be a barrier in some of our workers receiving this benefit. However, if your country has a social security agreement with Canada, they can help you meet the residency requirement for this supplement. Now, in 2021, so this year, a single pensioner living in Canada that earns an annual income of less than $18,744 can receive a maximum monthly supplement of $923.71, or a pensioner with a spouse who does not receive an old age security pension and has a combined annual income of less than $44,928 can receive a monthly benefit of $923.71. Now, these amounts can vary from month to month to year, so to get the most up-to-date information, contact our office. If you live or have lived or worked in another country, you may also be eligible for a pension from that country. In some cases, Canada's social security agreements with other countries may help you qualify for a foreign pension. If you have lived or worked in a country with which Canada has not signed an agreement, you must contact that country directly to find out if you qualify for a pension. If you have any legal questions that were not covered in this video, or you want to apply for your pension and you live in Niagara, please contact our legal team by telephone or WhatsApp at 905-933-8182 for free and confidential legal advice. If you live outside of Niagara, check out the link in the description below to find a legal aid clinic near you. Also, check out this YouTube channel for other videos on your rights at work during the COVID-19 pandemic and your immigration options in Canada. Stay tuned for our next video on Canada Pension Plan disability and survivor benefits.